you all are doing well. So today we will learn how to compare two numbers. Okay? We are going to learn about the comparison of numbers. So first of all, before starting, okay, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. Okay, so you should know about this when you are comparing the numbers. Okay, so let's start. First of all, first condition is you have two conditions when you are comparing the numbers. First one is when the numbers of digits are different. Sorry, when the digits of the numbers are, when the numbers of the digits are different. So, जब आपके पास numbers digits के different है तो आप क्या करोगे? जिस भी नंबर के पास ग्रेटर डिजिट्स होंगी, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू नंबर्स 7, 5, 4, 3 and here the next number is 7, 4, 3. So the number with the greater digit or greater number of digits is always greater. अब इस नंबर के पास ज्यादा डिजिट्स है, yes? ये 4 digits का नंबर है and this is of 3 digits. So always the number that have more number of digits is greater. Okay? So the number which has more digits is greater. Now the second condition is when the number of the digits are same. Here the number of digits were different. Now अब हम देखेंगे कि कौन सी, अगर हमारे पास सेम नंबर है डिजिट्स के तो कौन सा नंबर हमारा ग्रेटर होगा. सो यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास दो केसेस होते हैं, दो कंडीशंस लगाते हैं. सो वी कंपेयर द डिजिट्स एट द 1000 प्लेस फर्स्ट. हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? वी कंपेयर the digits at thousands place first. Okay, so here let's say we have 7, 5, 4, 3 and 3, 5, 7, 0. ओके, अब हम चेक करेंगे 1000 प्लेस कि कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है. सो वी कैन सी दैट 7 is greater. Yes, so this means that this number is greater. Okay, now Second is if the digits at the thousands place are the same, we compare hundreds place. ओके सो अगर हमारे पास 1000 प्लेस पे जो भी नंबर्स हैं वो सेम है, लाइक यहाँ पर भी अगर हमारे पास 7 होता तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम कौन सी डिजिट्स कंपेयर करते, जो भी डिजिट्स 100 पर है. सो इफ द डिजिट्स एट द 1000 प्लेस आर द सेम देन वी कंपेयर द डिजिट्स एट द 100 प्लेस. फॉर एग्जांपल 1000, 100, tens and ones. You have 5, 4, 3, 9 and the second number you have 5, 2, 1, 3. ओके अब हमारे पास 1000 में सेम है, we have 5 in both the numbers, okay, at thousands place. Now we will check कि 100 की प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर है. ओके सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट में है हमारे पास 4 एंड सेकंड में है 2. सो 4 is greater, so this number is greater. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 9 is greater than 5, 2, 1, 3. So how do we write it? 5, 4, 3, 9 is greater. Okay, this is the sign. 5, 2, 1, 3. ओके एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमारे पास लेट्स चेंज द डिजिट्स. अगर हमारे पास दूसरी वाली डिजिट छोटी होती तो हम क्या करते, सॉरी अगर बड़ी होती ग्रेटर होती, लाइक वी हैव 5, 4, 3, 9 and here we have 5, 9, 4, 2. Now here the digits at the 1000 place is the same. Now we will check the digits at the 100 place. ठीक है, so here 9 is greater, this means this number is greater than this. So we will write it like 5, 4, 3, 9 is less than 5, 9, 4, 2. Okay, 5, 9, 4, 2. Now we check for all the places 1000, 100, tens and ones. ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास अब नेक्स्ट में क्या होता है, now if we have the digit at thousands and 100 places the same, then we check the tens place. Okay, if the digits at the 1000 place, this one is, see, if the digits at the 1000 place and hundreds place are the same, then we compare the digits at the tens place. Okay, let's 3 and 7, 9, 2, 1. Okay, and now in this question, the numbers have the digits at thousands and hundred places the same. These numbers are same. 7 and 9 are both in the numbers. ठीक है? तो we will check the digits at tens place. अब हम check करेंगे कि tens की place पर कौन सा number greater है. Okay? So 4 is greater than 2. So this means 7, 9, 4, 3 is greater than 7, 9, 2, 1. And similarly we also compare the numbers for ones digit. ठीक है? अगर अब हमारे पास ये 3 digits सेम है तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम कंपेयर करते हैं डिजिट्स जो भी हमारे वंस की प्लेस पर होती है. Okay, if the digits had thousands place, hundreds place, and tens place are the same, then we compare the digits at the ones place. Now we have checked for thousand, hundreds and tens place. Now we will check how to compare the numbers at ones place. Okay? Here we have 7, 4, 6, 2 and 7, 4, 6, 1. Okay, so here the numbers at thousand, tens and hundreds place are the same. Now we will check the number at ones place. So you can see that 2 is greater than 1. So this number is greater than this. Okay. Now the last condition is if all the digits at thousands, hundreds, tens and ones places are the same, then the number is equal. So if हमारे पास जो भी numbers given है, हमारे पास जो भी numbers है are the same at thousands, hundreds and tens and ones place. If they all are same, then the numbers are equal. 10,000, sorry, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. And the number is 3941 and the another number is also 3941. Then we say that the numbers are equal. ठीक है? And how do we write? We put this sign, this equal to sign, to show that the numbers are equal. Okay? So in this video we have learned how do we compare numbers. Okay? And after comparing the numbers, we put these signs. This is lesser than, this is greater than, and this is equal to. Okay class, see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.